Selling your home is a big decision, and there's a lot that goes into thinking about it and preparing to sell your home. So as I meet with home sellers, there seems to be a pattern of 5 questions that I hear over and over again. So today I wanted to walk you through the answers to those 5 questions. So if you're thinking about selling your home, perhaps this will help you. So the first question I hear is, when is the best time to sell my home? Most people think that if they wait until spring, that is the best time to sell your home. But a matter of fact, any time is a good time to sell a home, and there's different reasons why different seasons are more advantageous. A lot of people will say, well, I'm going to wait until spring to sell my home. Well, I want you to think about that. If you wait until spring, that's kind of when everybody waits to sell their home. You're going to have a lot more competition. Whereas if you choose to put your home on the market, say in January, then there are a lot fewer homes on the market, so that increases the odds that your home would be one that would be selected. Because there are people who have to buy a home in January and February. So consider that when you're thinking about the time of year to put your home on the market. So the truth of the matter is, when is the best time to sell your home? It's when it's the best time for you and your situation. The second question I hear again and again is, are there important factors that I need to consider when selling my home? And yes, there are a number of things you need to think about. The condition of your home is going to be important when you go to sell your home. And try to step back and see your home through different eyes, because the condition of your home will make a big difference in how fast your home sells and what amount of money you'll be able to sell your home for. Another factor that comes up under things that you need to consider when selling your home is exposure. So one of the most critical things in getting your home sold is having maximum exposure, because you want the most number of eyes to see your home, which will increase the odds of someone finding your home for their family. So that's a critical piece as well. The third question I get from sellers is, how much is my home worth? Well, in order to determine that, we would do a competitive market analysis to see what homes in the area have sold for. Now, some people think they need to get an appraisal done to have a better idea of what their home would sell for. I would not suggest that if your home is in a neighborhood with other homes and there's some good comps around that. However, if you have a home that is very unique, a property that is very unique, far away from other homes, just totally different, then maybe we need to talk about that. But generally speaking, a market analysis will give you some good facts on what homes in the area have sold for, homes that are similar in size to yours, homes that were built around the same time, and those will be the factors we'll look at in pricing your home. The fourth question I get from most sellers is, what do I need to do to get my home ready to sell? So there's a lot that goes into that. Once again, step back, look at your home through fresh eyes so you can see it as a buyer would see it. And one thing that might help you with that, go online and look at other homes that are for sale. And that'll give you an idea of what your competition is. So that'll help you get an idea of how you're going to declutter and clean out your home so your home is ready to sell. And it's very hard when you've lived in a home for years and years and years. You get used to looking at your home as you see it from day to day. But when you're decluttering and cleaning your home out, it's just an entirely different process, and it's an entirely different look. So for starters, look at your home and see if you have things in every corner. Now, most of us do that. We put a plant in a corner, or a table, or a lamp. Those sorts of things need to be moved. Clean out the corners of your home. Move out extra chairs that you don't sit in. Move out extra furniture that doesn't really serve a purpose, but that you've just collected over the year. The idea is to create space and make your home look large. And then clean off surface tops. Clean off your entire kitchen counter, your bathroom counters, your dresser in your bedroom. Just clean it off. So those are a few tips that you can get started on when you think about things you need to do to prepare your home for sale. Make sure your yard is in great shape. Make sure your shrubbery is trimmed. Make sure your driveway and your sidewalk has been pressure washed. Wash your windows. These are all tips that will help you prepare your home to sell. Question number 5 that I hear is, should I make repairs? Sellers are always asking, there's a few things around here that, I can see need attention. Should I make these repairs? Absolutely, you should make those repairs. Go through that honey-do list and start checking the box and get all those things done. The more you can do up front, the better your home's going to show and the higher price you're going to get for your home. So those are the 5 primary questions I get from most sellers. There are many, many more, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have as you're considering selling your house perhaps in 2020.